In today's fast-paced business landscape, organizations are increasingly turning to cloud computing to improve their operations and stay ahead of the competition. The cloud computing industry has witnessed tremendous growth in recent years, with several major players vying for dominance. In this video, we will explore the top 4 game changers in the cloud computing race and how they are revolutionizing the way businesses operate. Cloud computing has emerged as a game changer for businesses of all sizes, offering scalability, flexibility, and cost-effectiveness. Organizations can leverage cloud services to store and access data, run applications, and scale their infrastructure on demand, without the need for significant upfront investments. As the demand for cloud computing services continues to grow, major players in the industry are constantly innovating to stay ahead. Amazon Web Services, AWS. Amazon Web Services, AWS, is the undisputed leader in the cloud computing market, providing a comprehensive suite of services to meet the needs of businesses across various industries. AWS offers a wide range of services, including compute power, storage, databases, analytics, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. Their global infrastructure ensures high availability and low latency for businesses operating on a global scale. AWS Elastic Compute Cloud (EC2) enables businesses to rent virtual servers in the cloud, providing the flexibility to scale their infrastructure as needed. Amazon S3 Simple Storage Service offers secure and scalable object storage for storing and retrieving data. AWS Lambda allows developers to run code without provisioning or managing servers, making it easier to build applications. Microsoft Azure. Microsoft Azure is a cloud platform that offers a comprehensive set of services to help businesses build, deploy, and manage applications. Azure provides a wide range of services, including virtual machines, storage, databases, AI, and analytics. With a global network of data centers, Azure ensures high availability and scalability. Azure Virtual Machines allow businesses to deploy virtual servers in the cloud, enabling them to run applications and scale resources as needed. Azure Blob Storage provides scalable object storage for unstructured data. Azure Functions allows developers to build serverless applications that automatically scale based on demand. Google Cloud Platform, GCP. Google Cloud Platform, GCP, is a suite of cloud computing services offered by Google, providing organizations with access to scalable infrastructure and innovative tools. GCP offers a wide range of services, including compute, storage, databases, machine learning, and analytics. With its global network of data centers, GCP ensures low latency and high availability. GCP's compute engine enables businesses to create virtual machines in the cloud, providing the flexibility to scale resources as required. Cloud storage offers scalable and secure object storage for storing and accessing data. Google Cloud Functions allows developers to build event-driven applications that automatically respond to changes in data. IBM Cloud. IBM Cloud is a robust cloud computing platform that offers a wide range of services to help businesses accelerate their digital transformation. IBM Cloud provides services such as compute, storage, databases, AI, and analytics. With data centers located in various regions, IBM Cloud ensures high availability and performance. IBM Virtual Servers enable businesses to deploy virtual machines in the cloud, providing the flexibility to scale resources on demand. IBM Cloud Object Storage offers scalable and cost-effective storage for unstructured data. IBM Cloud Functions allows developers to build serverless applications that automatically scale based on demand. Competitive landscape. The cloud computing market is highly competitive, with numerous players vying for market share. While AWS, Azure, GCP, and IBM Cloud are the top game changers, other players such as Oracle Cloud, Alibaba Cloud, and Salesforce also offer robust cloud computing services. Each player has its unique strengths and features, catering to different business needs. Security and compliance. Security and compliance are paramount in the cloud computing industry. Businesses need assurance that their data is protected and that the cloud provider complies with industry regulations. The top game changers invest heavily in security measures and offer a wide range of compliance certifications. AWS, Azure, GCP, and IBM Cloud all have robust security features, including encryption, identity and access management, and network security. They also comply with various industry regulations, such as GDPR, HIPAA, and ISO certifications. Businesses can choose the provider that aligns with their specific security and compliance requirements. Future outlook. The cloud computing industry is expected to continue its rapid growth, driven by increasing demand for digital transformation and the adoption of emerging technologies. As businesses embrace cloud computing, providers will continue to innovate and introduce new services to meet evolving customer needs. The top game changers are investing heavily in areas such as AI, machine learning, and edge computing to provide businesses with advanced capabilities. Additionally, they are expanding their global infrastructure to ensure low latency and high availability for businesses operating in different regions. Cloud computing has revolutionized the way businesses operate, offering scalability, flexibility, and cost-effectiveness. The top game changers, including AWS, Azure, GCP, and IBM Cloud, are leading the race by providing a comprehensive suite of services and innovative solutions. Businesses need to evaluate their requirements and choose the cloud computing provider that aligns with their specific needs. Whether it's scalability, AI capabilities, or compliance certifications, the top game changers offer a wide range of features and services to cater to diverse business requirements. As the cloud computing race continues, businesses can leverage the benefits of the cloud to accelerate their digital transformation and stay ahead in today's competitive landscape. Click here to watch USA versus China. Who will lose the quantum war? If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our future videos.